Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Hannah. She's coming for a fresh set of nails for her holiday to, oh my god, where did she say she's going? Lanzarote or Tenerife? You know, somewhere like that. So she's going for a nice bright set today. So I'm not gonna lie, these are stunning. You will all love these, I'm sure. So I did all the prep on her natural nails and I applied my tips. Today's tips, I used CJP's square tips. I applied my clear layer and now I'm going in with application. So this here I'm using is Ice Cream Pop from Glam and Glitz. It's really nice. I'm not used to working with these, but it was okay. And then here I'm going in with a glitter fade, and I'm using some glitters from the Glitter Fairy. The Glitter Fairy, and it's the Indian Summer Collection, and I'm using Lotus, I think it's called. And I'm just fading that down the nail, making sure it's looking perfect. And then on the ring finger here, we're going to do a glitter fade. I was just going to go straight in with the glitters, but I wanted a little base in the background. So I'm using Smashed Peach here from CJP, and then I come in with the Ice Cream Pop. I just blend them together, and then over the top of the Smashed Peach I'm using the Glitter Fairies again, and I'm using MTN Rose. It's the Indian Summer Collection. I don't know if that's shortened for something. MTN Rose, and obviously the Lotus, and I'm just going to put those over the top and blend them together. So the middle one we'll just keep in plain, and I'm going to do an ombre using Smashed Peach and Ice Cream Pop. Don't know why I keep saying them, I should just say peach and pink, because we're going to apply just a little bit of bling around her cuticle area, so I wanted to keep this middle one plain. And then the pointer finger is just going to be a full nail of the orange glitter. I was going to put a base down and I didn't, and I don't know why I didn't. I wish I did, but it still looked fine. So yeah, this set, pink and orange, my client was like, mate, they do not go. Pink and orange, like even I would think pink and orange don't go. But I kept seeing Charlotte Pilgrim do these colours together, and I was like, I need to do them. So, and honestly, they work like a dream together. They're like salt and pepper. They honestly, they are perfect together. And then on the thumb, I'm going to go in with the pink, and I'm going to do another ombre fade with some glitter. No, I'm going to do a fade with some glitter, but this time I'm going to go down from the cuticle area and blend that glitter down. So then here I'm just coming in with my file and I'll just perfect that shape, make it nice and crisp and pointy. I then come in with my e-file and whiz over the surface of the nails and make sure that everything is all flat, even and smooth, and that the cuticle area is lovely and flush. I then buff her nails lovely and smooth. She goes and gives them a good scrub with some soap and water, and then we're ready for our crystals and jelly. So that was me just applying a few crystals around the cuticle area. So I let the glue set and then I come in with my gel top coat. I'm using CJP's Tack Free Top Gloss. Just applying a lovely thin layer of that all over the nails. Curing the lamp for 60 seconds and that is the set complete. Or apply some cuticle oil and that is the set complete. So I do hope you enjoy this video. There is a little clip at the end for you to see the final result. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the other hand was different. So, well, it wasn't different. It was the same pattern and design, but in the opposite colours. So the baby finger had the pink, and the other hand obviously had the peach. You'll see in a minute, but we thought we'd switch it up a little bit. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe to my channel already, I'd love it if you did. And I'll see you in my next one.